Hey, it's Jack Paar with a quick tutorial on how to format an SD card on a Sony FS5 Mark 1 or Mark 2, it doesn't matter. So here we go. So click on the menu button on the side of the FS5. This is going to pop up on your screen. Go all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to click on that and go up to media format. It's going to be straight up on the joystick. Right there. I only have one SD card in, so I'm going to format my A card. So just follow the prompts, hit OK. Takes about 13 seconds. As soon as this is done, you'll get another prompt to hit OK, which will be coming up soon. And hit OK, and you are ready back to display and ready to record. Now you got a full SD card. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe below. We're going to have a ton more videos on everything video productions. Tune in and we'll see you soon.